Yo, what's up everybody, how you doing? Another day in Bali, and this time I came specially for the request of some of you, of my loyal viewers, to the Discovery Mall in Kuta. I'm gonna little bit show you around because got the request, and then I'm gonna go up to Kuta Art Market Central location. Been a while when I was strolling on this part, and for everybody who don't like it, well, see you on next one. But I hope so. I will see many comments today on today's video. Beautiful weather today, so the beautiful shot of the Discovery Mall. There are a lot of construction refurbishments ongoing. There is of course the basketball pitch, sunset very soon, and the Vilo gelato ice cream. There is something new. This one is new. Gonna get inside a little bit. Inside the mall itself, little bit quiet. However, most of the shops and the businesses are open, but pretty empty, I'm gonna tell you, not gonna lie. Anyways, you know me, I always showing you honest house looks, everything around, especially in Bali and everywhere where I travel. And today, look like this one in Discovery Shopping Mall, inside the mall. And this is inside the central hall of Discovery Shopping Mall. There is bazaar, slightly better I could say, but not much, and so many optic shops here. Outside of the mall, definitely more people. Unfortunately, the band is very loud, but a little bit more people. Feels a little bit quiet, but I'm gonna get down to the main street and show you all the situation in Kuta at the front of Discovery Shopping Mall up to the Kuta Art Market over there. It was busier here, but well, it's not that bad. Anyways, doesn't really matter. At least the weather is beautiful. If you go there is Kuta Discovery Plaza, the hotel and airport, and there are some restaurants here. It's 5:30 p.m., so it's not that bad actually. Good timing. Discovery Mall. A lot of people coming locals to listen to the local band here. There's not that much crowds in the subway anymore, and basically this is it. And I will show you. Actually, to be honest, I'm just gonna stroll around and show you. This is the Bamboo Bar and Grill, very popular sports bar. Is it busy? It's not bad. It's not bad. It's nothing crowded, but it's not bad. Yo, what's up? Hello, happy girls, waiters, and then it's of course Water Boom. Yeah, Water Boom is doing alright. It's one of the biggest attractions of Kuta, basically. And let's see what's going on. People strolling. That's good. It's actually not that tragically bad. Actually, kind of optimistic. Just the Discovery Mall looks a little bit sad, but the streets outside, they are looking actually pretty alright, pretty decent. And what's going on here? Why they are fighting? I don't know, but I don't want to be a part of it for sure. And everybody's going to this little restaurant here, Warungdam, or maybe not everybody, but some people. I do not recommend it to withdrawing money from these ATMs. That's my personal advice. However, you do it for your own responsibility. But some people lose their cards, and some people after that they get scammed. But maybe it's different. Anyways, traffic situation, and this is the Bali Garden Hotel and Bungalows Resorts. Actually very nice when they refurbish it. The guy trying to sell them something, people coming to making a picture with the traditional gate. Nice place, very old resort in general. But I know a lot of my loyal viewers have a lot of great memories from this place and from this street. So I'm showing you Baba Shrimp here. Not bad. More actually going into more to the central Kuta, more traffic, more people. Not bad. Let's see. Basically next to the bar, the traffic jam is starting. Everybody going to the beach walk area. Beach walk is, as I filmed, always there. It's always kind of busy. This is like, they hit the one-way road. There is the Kuta Square and stuff. I'm gonna show you the main junction there where actually everybody are coming. But this is, meanwhile, the street looked like this. 1 year ago, Dolce Vita at that time was super crowded. However, maybe today on the 7 or 8 p.m. it's also crowded, it's busy. Also, there will be so many restaurants. Overall, this is like so many restaurants around and spas and everything. but there are also some old holders around. What I would like to show you. Very interesting hotel card. This is like a budget hotel, only 200,000 per night. And yeah, this is it. Actually, I'm very curious to make this video, especially it's been a while when I was here last time. Don't exchange money in the boys like this one as well, not my recommendation. However, buying the tours is okay from them. And yeah, this is it. Kind of busy actually. And this one looks actually nice, refurbished as one of the budget hotels as well. Something it's big coming here, the refurbishments and the new establishment next to Matilda and next to Paradiso Hotel. Some people enjoying their afternoon bintang already. I said that word right, it's okay, should be fine. And that's the situation on the street. Yeah, some people coming already enjoying lots of nice bar here. And then the Hotel Paradiso at the front. Somebody just arrived. And the traffic actually kinda busy like. Anyways, Philippines Airlines, they still have a headquarters here in Kuta Paradiso Hotel. Actually, I'm interested. Not sure though. But this is it. Kuta Paradiso Hotel for everybody of you. Here we go. They open, switch on the fountain. Seems like it's alright. And this is the most interesting part of this part of Kuta basically, which all the seafood restaurants. The Ramayana Hotel in the background, that's the room still facing the street. Security officer from the Paradiso Hotel. Famous crab. I didn't see the beer bus yet, but that actually will be like to complete the whole entire video today. But here you go, this is it. That's the seafood restaurant here. Actually, few big restaurants. Some people enjoying the times. Of course, those area was slightly busier last year. Now it's slightly more quiet for some reason, but it's not bad. That in case if you ask about is it busy, is it quiet? However, traffic on the roads is always like this. Al dente Italian restaurant and lunch. This one looks new, modern, and looks nice. However, empty. Let's see if those people gonna get in. But looks nice actually. Probably they have a nice coffee, and then you have a stadium, cafe, sports bar. Yeah, very legendary place. And the souvenir shop, of course, that's a very souvenir shop. You can buy SIM cards and any other gadgets around. And then the rap music, the candy store, flapjacks. Okay, let's go before I'm gonna get the copyright problems. No, that's cool actually, not bad, not bad. Feels like Kota is okay actually. Yo, what's up? How you doing? That's good, take care. Somebody recognized me here. All right, cool. And that's it. And that's the main corner, Ramayana Hotel, and the Kuta Square corner. Like this one, nice colors. Actually, good time of the day. Thank you so much, brother. Thank you. No shortage of the motorbikes drivers. That's the Ramayana main restaurant and the hotel corner. If you go straight, where those lovely people coming from is Kuta Square, and you can walk to beach walk. On not today's occasion, I will just stop here for a while. Just wanna show you as the vibe I'm going here. And this is the Pasar Seni Kuta, the main entrance to the market, main market, brand new market in Kuta. I'm gonna go there, but the sun is facing very sharp. Just wanted to show you around a little bit. Stop here just for 30 seconds. So I want you to feel how the vibe is going here. And actually, if you're gonna drive a car, even bike, but especially car, you're gonna stuck in the traffic for a very long time because everybody going to the beach walk. So actually, Discovery Mall is quieter. Maybe it's more boring, but it's definitely quieter, and there is no traffic at the front of it. But here, yeah, it's already pretty long shot, and those people still in the one spot. Okay, That's it. Brand new art market in Kuta. Actually, this is the outside, and on the other side over here, as you can see, that's pretty nice. Yo. Pretty nice market in general. Pretty modern, but quiet little bit. But nice looking, that's for sure. Very nice organized, I believe. Great place for shopping for some souvenirs. Basically, in this market or in the art market in Ubud, basically you're gonna find the same. Maybe prices slightly different, or maybe easier to negotiate here because it's a little bit quieter and less popular, less visited than the Ubud one. So maybe I recommend you to come here for the bigger shopping. But also in Kuta is a lot of ole shops like Krishna Ole and other ones. We're also having basically the same stuff. So yeah, in case if you would like to buy Bali T-Shirt, for example, or I don't know, whatever else. And then you have a tsunami shelter and the old main entrance to the Kuta. By the way, quick notice when we are talking about the tsunami shelter in Kuta last night around 3:55 at morning, there was the little earthquake about 250 kilometers from Bali, actually from South Bali. Up north from Lombok in the Bali Sea, 7.1, so it's pretty strong. The feeling was like you are sleeping on the boat and start waving a little bit, kind of feeling like this one, but nothing happened in Bali so far. Nobody get hurt and no destruction or anything, so everything is good, everybody are safe. If any big mainstream media saying something that is so tragic, especially ABC Australia have tendency to saying like that, don't worry, everything is good, because I already read some news and they already trying to make a drama. Don't worry about that, everything is fine. Basically nothing happened in Bali. If you're gonna go there where I'm facing my camera, there are some bars and the Granina Hotel and stuff like this one. Recently some people coming here to making pictures. Pretty big parking spot for the cars and the motorbikes, and kinda feels deserted, to be honest. Not that busy as I thought. However, it's pretty nice spot actually. There's plenty places to make pictures, and that's the beach situation basically before any bars and everything. So like a natural piece of beach, like it used to be long time ago. People hanging out, and the sunset's gonna be soon. And if you go there, there is the Discovery Mall where I have to come back now. Behind this, if I'm not mistaken, that's the land for crematorium next to the temple. And there's like a cemetery of the huts. However, they looks like a brand new, just nobody took them anywhere. Pretty interesting, and little bit of the old beach of Kuta vibe. It was actually like that long time ago. Just the boats, just the trees, and that's it. Overall, that's the pretty old Kuta vibes and pretty old Bali vibes. Not sure if those vibes are really interested. However, that's in Kuta, nearby the airport. By long time ago, well, in the 80s, 90s, the most popular hotspot in whole entire Bali Island. Before anybody even know about something like Kuta, I mean like Canggu or even Seminyak will exist, and nobody even had idea about the beach clubs in this part of the world. But yeah, times changed, and Bali looks like this one, and Kuta looks like this one recently. It's pretty interesting, and you can still find at least short strip of the beach in Kuta up to very far up to Chanaklot, as there is nothing here. That's interesting, and it's cool. And that's the effects of erosion, by the way. That was the trees, they are only the corners here. Still you can find some aunties behind me in the corner. They're selling their stuff, who they don't have a lot in the market. And then there is some, I don't know actually what is the sort of hotel here. I always confused. I think it belongs to the Kartika brand. However, I may be wrong. They wanna have a wedding event right now, which is very rare, as somebody still doing it in Kuta. But so happy to actually see that, as it's Kuta not dead yet, as this place still exists and still some events coming here, some functions. The Broad Walk, actually the name. Cool. Sunset, stroll, brand new promenade, low tide. Only sad thing is the big part of the Discovery Mall is gone. They put some sort of fence like this one, but it was so many nice restaurants. My first meal in Bali, it was in the restaurant over here, but it's not exist. That's actually sad. Some part of my memories, and that wasn't like that very, very long time ago, just like, I don't know, 8 years ago, 9 years ago, something like that. It's gone actually like 3 years ago. Pretty sad, but this is it. And the shot of the sunset, actually nice. Kuta sunsets are always nice. For some reason, they are really nice here. Last shot of the sunset, beautiful, and there is some performances, some food truck ads, some loud music, some DJ. Quite a lot of local people coming here and enjoying, and of course this basketball pitch here, so some people enjoying. A little bit more people right now, and overall, yeah, this is vibe. Now it's a lot of people, like local people coming here in general, but at least there is some hope for this place still, as it's not gonna fall apart totally. And there is the, of course, where I started, and the beach walk will be over there, and so on up to there, very far. Basically, this is it. Kuta Discovery vibes for everybody. It is how it is. What I'm gonna tell you, I made already so many videos, so any parts, any steps of those places, so I'm just gonna leave the opinion for you. It's very hot. This heat is coming again to Bali, so it's becoming very hot again. Big thumb up, comment, subscribe if you haven't yet. Any kind of support, really appreciate that. And I will see you on next video tomorrow as always. See ya, take care guys.